Good evening, welcome on YouTube channel. Before I install the cylinder heads, I want to check this, if this is okay. And normally the old ones are almost all the time wrong. Looks fine to me. That's strange. Normally they are very bad. Okay. The surface discoloration is fine, there's no problem. Yes, this one is ready to use. Well, that's fine. And then I know this one is also good, but we check it. Yes, it's really good. There's a little metal cap inside, so don't push it like that, but that. Because this axle is hollow from inside and the oil is pushed inside, and there should be a little hole in the middle of here that pushes through this mechanism and to lubricate this pivot point. Then you know, now it's not correct installed, but normally you can turn it a little bit. Later on we push it with the cylinder head bolt on this place. This one is ready to use. Oh, let's do another one. Check before we work to it. Also check those points here. This one is rubbish, but I do not replace it at the moment. I will do that later on. Because when you put a new gasket in this beneath the cylinder head, all the stuff is going to adjust itself a little bit, and we have to check the valve clearance several times. So that's a little hole. It looks fine. It looks good. I didn't expect that. It's almost new. Oh! This engine makes not a lot of noise. It runs super. So I checked it. Now I'm going to install the cylinder head. See me on the next movie. Thanks. Bye bye.